Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Stocks have cooled in August since soaring 19.5% throughout the year. Several reasons are behind the mini pullback, like criticism that Wall Street too quickly formed a consensus that inflation will keep cooling, the economy will keep growing, and the Fed has already finished its hike to interest rates. Binance is set to list Layer 1 blockchain SEI's network's native token on August the 15th. Traders see SEI changing hands at 26 cents after the debut. Circulating supply upon listing will be 1.8 billion coins, giving a total market cap of nearly $500 million. The dollar fell after data showed US consumer prices rose modestly last month, while initial jobless claims gained in the latest week, reinforcing expectations the Federal Reserve will pause interest rate hikes at the next policy meeting.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The French consumer price index will be released at 0645 GMT. The US producer price index at 1230 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.